Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to disable auto renew in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first you need to log in to your Squarespace account by filling your email address and password. Now click on these three dots next to your desired website, then select billing. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Click on subscriptions. Click on the active subscription you want to disable the auto renew for, and next to auto renewal, uncheck this option. As you can see, your subscription will not renew on this date. And this is how to disable your auto renew on Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.